Hey guys, welcome to another episode of my channel. So today we are going to start our story about cryptography, and we are going to talk about message digest with Openssl. Purpose of message digest, it's data verification, meaning checking of data integrity. And how is that done? Well, if you perform message digest on exact the same content with exact the same algorithm, you are always going to get same output of equal length. And what is actually algorithm in this case? You could understand algorithm as a basic background math that turns input content into output hash. And both hash itself and the length of that hash depend on algorithm. And you can use message digest in order to check any kind of binary data. So you could check integrity of textual files, pictures or application, doesn't matter. Message digest is actually really fast and easy to compute. And what is actually the best way to check integrity? You are going to create a hash of content that you want to check at the point of origin. Then you are going to create another hash of that very same content at the destination point. If those two hashes match with one another, your data is fine. And first thing that I'm going to show you for this episode, it's how to see all of supported algorithms for message digest. You are going to use Openssl. So if you don't have this application installed already, please do so. And I'm going to say dgst and command list. And I'm going to use my example text document. Let me show you what I have inside. Just simple content in order to show you how this works. So in order to create hash of this document, I am going to use Openssl. We are going to use dgst but without dash. We are going to use algorithm, let's say for this case MD5. I want my result to be in hexadecimal form, and we are going to provide our document example. You see, this is our output hash. Now if I use this command once more, I'm going to get exact the same result. And doesn't matter how many times I use this very same command, I'm going to get very same result for same input and the same algorithm. If I change algorithm into something like, let's see, SHA384, I'm going to get completely different output hash, as you see. But not only different in content, but different in length. So now, if I change content of my file with, let's say, add 1 at the end, this hash is going to be changed completely. Let's go with SAH384 first. You see, this second hash is completely different. And now I'm going to try to use MD5 once again. MD5. You see, this hash is different than this one. Now, if we change this content to previous state by removing this one from the end, if I call MD5 algorithm, I am going to get exact the same hash like in first case. And now let's try with that other algorithm. We used SHA384. Let's see, at the end we have 279D, and let's see, 279D. Okay, this is totally fine. And another common way how you're going to use message digest, it's for signing and verification. And in order to perform those techniques, we are going to need the primary and the public key. And we are going to talk a lot about these keys in upcoming episodes. But for now, we are just going to create two keys, just in order to show you how to use them for signing and verification with message digest. So now I'm going to use command Openssl, then gen RSA. I'm going to output my private key into PKPEM, and I want to be of length 1024. So we are going to have really short private key. All right, here is our key. And now I'm going to show you how to use this private key in order to sign this document. Use Openssl. Once again, DGST for digest. We are going to use S, or let's go with MD5 like this. We are going to sign it by using our pk.pem, and we are going to store that into output. Let's call it s.sign, and we are signing our document example. Okay, in here we have our sign. And now in order to verify this sign, we need a public key, and we are going to create public key from private key. So use Openssl again. Now we are going to use RSA, and we are going to use as input this private key, PEM, and we are going to output with pub out. Use out command in order to store it into file, and of course provide path. All right, now we have, okay, but with wrong extension. I'm going to change it. All right, looks much better now. And finally, we are going to perform verification. Once again, using Openssl. We are using digest with algorithm MD5. Now we are performing verification by using public key pub.pub. Provide signature of s.sign for document example. Now if everything is fine, we are going to get a message verified. OK. So guys, this is all for this episode, but keep in mind that cryptography is a really huge subject, so this is only tip of the iceberg of everything that we are going to do on this channel. So please like, subscribe, and see you in next episode.